Kuki groups have written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the National Commission of Human Rights urging their intervention to ease the conflict situation in Manipur, which has been racked with ethnic violence since last year. The Kuki Organization for Human Rights in its letter accused the Meiteis of launching a majoritarian mayhem to grab the tribal land. It is neither the first time nor going to be the last time the constitutional protection and the human rights of the tribal people had been violated and abused time and time again, it said. The letter also contained several news clippings and reports on the violent incidents in the northeastern state. The Kuki group urged the NHRC to make a kind and sympathetic intervention in Manipur to prevent the Manipur state government and the majoritarian Meitei ethnic cleansing program and save the minority Kuki Zo tribal community from total annihilation. The current state-sponsored Meitei War is not only anti-human and anti-tribal but also anti-constitutional and anti-national. That your kind intervention would surely help in preventing them from going further, the cohort said. More than 200 people have been killed in ethnic violence in Manipur since May 2023.